This video will help you through the process of investing in a lump sum through our mobile app. Let's get started. Once you log into our app, you will be able to see your dashboard. Click on the menu. Click on Invest, then Mutual Funds, then Lump Sum. Type in the name of the fund you want to invest in into the search bar. Click on the blue plus icon to add the fund. Once done, click on Proceed to Basket. Enter in your lump sum amount. Once done, click on Proceed to Invest. Once you verify all the details, tick the Terms and Conditions checkbox and click Confirm. You will be taken to the payment page and provided with 4 different payment options. Congratulations! Your lump sum investment has been completed successfully. You will receive an email with transaction details. In 1 working day, you can see your investment in your dashboard. For other queries, please send an email to contact@FundsIndia.com. Thank you for investing with us. Hope this video was helpful and made the process easier.